In this playlist, I cover some topics that I'm asked again and very often. And so here's the first one. It's about how to add an empty queue marker without an effect in a show.
Often show designers want to set only the cues in a show, without assigning the effect. This can be done easily in Finale. You find this function in Finale under Script. Insert empty cue or effect. Empty cue. Notice that the default shortcut for this action is the I key. So, simply play the show and press the I key whenever you want to set a cue. You can change the key from I to space. To do so, click File, User Settings, swap Insert and Play key. As soon as this is activated, you had to press the spacebar to insert an empty cue.